Show you how to recharge your Lyca mobile SIM online from anywhere, home the UK, USA, Germany, France, or any country in the world.
First, open your browser and go to the official website, www.lycamobile.com.
After opening site, go top-click on globe icon. Choose your country, click on your country. Quick top up. This page, filling your details. Number 1, enter your Lyca number. Number 2, how many recharge. Choose recharge, select your recharge. After putting payment details, PayPal, MasterCard, choose from side. After filling details, tab on Confirm and Pay. After filling details, tab on Confirm and Pay. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, like, share Lyca SIM activation and plain. Visit my channel. Thanks for watching video.